In this video, you'll learn how to enhance the security features of your Phantom wallet. By following these steps, you can ensure that your wallet is better protected against unauthorized access and potential threats. Begin by opening the Phantom wallet application on your device. Once the application is fully loaded, navigate to the bottom right corner of the screen and click on the settings icon, which is represented by a gear symbol. This will take you to the settings menu, where various options are available. Next, locate the security and privacy section within the settings menu. Click on this option to access security-related features. Here you will find the option to change your password. Click on Change Password to set a strong password. Ensure that your new password is unique and combines letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. After entering your new password, confirm it and save your changes. After setting a strong password, return to the security and privacy section. Look for the Preferences option within the settings menu. Click on Preferences and then find the Auto Lock feature. Enable this setting to ensure that your wallet automatically locks after a certain period of inactivity. This additional layer of security helps prevent unauthorized access if you leave your wallet unattended. The next step involves backing up your recovery phrase. Return to the security and privacy section and select Show Secret Recovery Phrase. This recovery phrase is critical for restoring access to your wallet if you ever lose your device. Write down the phrase carefully and store it in a secure location. Avoid saving it digitally, as this increases the risk of it being compromised. Finally, it's important to check the connected applications associated with your Phantom wallet. Go back to the settings menu and select Connected. Here, you will see a list of applications that have access to your wallet. Review this list and remove any applications that you do not trust or recognize. Regularly auditing connected applications helps maintain your wallet security. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.